Hey loves, what's going on? This is a PSA announcement for all my ladies out there. Just because you look good, just because you got a cute little body, just because you know how to throw down in the bedroom, and just because you are a good woman, does that mean that you are going to keep a man? The only thing that is going to keep a man is a man who is truly interested in a man that wants to be kept. So while you are up here, getting shot up, getting tugged and pulled, breaking the bank, trying to get the latest whatever, and you up here trying to be a gold medalist in the bedroom is not going to keep a man. A lot of times we be going above and beyond trying to persuade these dudes and trying to put it on them. But the only thing that's gonna keep him is him. So with that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit like if you truly like this. Tell a friend, tell two, tell three. And until next time.